Welcome to my channel AKS Bright 12th Computer Application 3rd Unit Database at the 3rd class. Continue this lesson. Column and row. We specify define the column, enter the field name, after enter the value using the row. The same like that. So row. So column is ID, number, name, age, salary. That is the column. Row is ID number 1 Alex 26 to 22,000. So enter the value, that is called the row. What is a primary key? It's a candidate key that is chosen to perform the identification task is called the primary key. So primary key is called the unique identifier. So this is the very important, children. Unique value, that is called the primary key. A primary key which is a combination of more than one attributes called the composite primary key. Okay. Then foreign key. Foreign key is a copy of the primary key, has been exported from one related into the another to represent the extension of a relationship between them. The foreign key is a copy of the whole of its parent primary key. Okay, whole of the parent primary key. Primary key is a composite, then so is the foreign key. Foreign key value do not usually have to the unique. Foreign keys can also be null. So note this, children. A composite foreign keys cannot be same. Some attributes null and other null, non-null. Super key. This is also one of the using the key. The attributes of the group of the attributes which is sufficient to distinguish every tuple in the relational from every other one is known as super key. Each super key is called the candidate key. Okay, the candidate key is selected from the set of the super key. While selecting the candidate key, the redundant attributes should not be taken. The candidate key is also known as minimal super key. Then composite key. A key with more than one attributes to identify the row uniquely to table is called a composite key. This is also known as the compound key. Then ER model, how to use this ER model in relational database. Generally we use on ER model known as the concept of the database. Designs the model of the collection of the entities, where each of these entities will be interconnected with each other with conditions on the entity dependence on to another's. The ER model, the three categories is the entity or entity types, attributes and relationship. They are the general concept which help to create the ER diagram and produce our ER model. With the help of this any database design can be create and view known concepts database design. The first one is explain entity to entity type. Entity can be anything, a real word, object or animation which is easily identified by anyone, even by a common man. The company database employee, HR manager are considered as the entities, where each of this entity will be having their own attributes. On entities they are represented by the rectangular box, employee and the manager. The two types of entities, strong entity, weak entity instance. The strong entity. The strong entity is that one which does not depend on any other entity of the schema. The database and the stores entities will have the primary key. So underline this. The unique identity which others entity will not have is their attributes. It is represented by one rectangular. In above example, it is the strong entities because it has the primary So primary unique as the role on the because of for every one role no various add it will not be same. Weak entity. Weak entity is the depend on the entity and it does not have any primary key like the strong entity. It represents the double rectangle. Yeah, see marks, example, subject and pause and fail. Yeah, this all categories linked to the marks. Say entity instance. Instance are the value for the entity. If we consider the animal as the entity, the instance will be dog, cat, cow. So entities the instance denote the categories value for the given entity. Human instance, animals, jobs, actors, electronics. So, Salafi understood friends this lesson. Few topic take this video. Next class I tell about the attributes. Yeah, this is the very useful for studying children. Now lockdown period not having the book. Yes, continue watch my video, learn this lesson. Share your friends, subscribe my channel. Bye.